Mornings can be a muddle, alarm buzzing, socks missing, and the sun peeking through the curtains while you're still half asleep. The day begins with a flurry of activity, and sometimes it feels like you're already running behind before you've even left your bed. There's a mad dash in the hallway, shoes to find, bags to pack, and everyone in a rush to get ready for the day ahead. But then comes breakfast, the moment when everything slows down, even if just for a few minutes. It's the best bit. The time to gather, refuel, and share a smile before the day's adventures begin. A good breakfast doesn't just fill tummies, it sparks ideas, brings laughter, and sets the mood for a day full of fun and possibilities. Sure, toast is fine and it gets the job done, but where's the excitement in that? Breakfast should be something to look forward to. Kids know that food should be colorful and fun, no boring beige when there are dragons to chase, rainbows to eat, and stories to tell at the table. So why not make breakfast a memory? Start the day with a smile, a giggle, and maybe even a little bit of magic on your plate. That's why we set out on a breakfast adventure, because mornings deserve a little extra sparkle, and families deserve a reason to come together. Our mission: create the most colorful, cheerful breakfast ever. Not just food, a masterpiece that brings everyone to the table with wide eyes and big appetites. Time to roll up our sleeves, get creative, and let our imaginations run wild with every swirl of batter and sprinkle of toppings. The kitchen is our laboratory for deliciousness, where every ingredient is a chance to invent something new, and every mess is part of the fun. Let's make this morning brilliant. One bite, one laugh, and one colorful creation at a time. Rainbow pancakes? Yes, you heard that right. These aren't your ordinary breakfast treat. Imagine a stack of pancakes, each a different color. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. It's like someone took a box of crayons and turned it into breakfast. It's a tower of edible joy, bright enough to chase away any morning grumbles. The colors alone are enough to make you smile before you even take a bite. Not just a meal, a spectacle. The breakfast table turns into a carnival, bursting with color and excitement as if a party has landed right in your kitchen. Kids' eyes light up, eager to dig in and discover every layer. It's the kind of breakfast that makes everyone feel like a kid again, no matter their age. Slice through and you reveal a beautiful stripy pattern, like a treasure map in pancake form. Each layer is a surprise, waiting to be uncovered. Eat one color at a time, savoring each flavor and hue as you go, or all together in a big, happy bite that mixes the rainbow into a delicious explosion of taste. Rainbow pancakes make breakfast playful and fun. Suddenly, the morning feels less rushed and more like a celebration. It's not just food coloring, it's a statement. Today will be special. Making them is half the fun, watching the batter swirl and sizzle into vibrant circles. A stack of happiness, a promise of a fun-filled day. It's a breakfast that brings people together and starts the day with laughter. The kind of breakfast that makes you want to jump out of bed, excited for what's ahead. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the most brilliant. With just a little creativity, you can turn an ordinary morning into something magical. Who wouldn't want to start their day with a rainbow? It's a burst of color, a dash of joy, and a memory in the making, all before you've even finished your first cup of tea. Let's get down to business and make breakfast the most exciting meal of the day. Rainbow pancakes might look like magic, but they're actually easier to make than you think. With just a few simple steps, you'll have a feast that's as fun to look at as it is to eat. Start with a basic pancake batter. Gather flour, eggs, milk, sugar, and baking powder. These classic ingredients are the foundation for fluffy, delicious pancakes. Whisk everything together until the batter is smooth and creamy. No lumps allowed. Take your time here because a silky batter means perfect pancakes. Now comes the magic. Divide your batter evenly into several bowls, one for each color you want in your rainbow stack. Add a few drops of food coloring to each bowl: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Watch as the batter transforms into a vibrant palette. Stir each bowl and watch the colors swirl and blend. This is kitchen chemistry at its most playful. The more you mix, the brighter your pancakes will be. Heat your pan over medium heat, add a little butter, and pour in your first colorful batter. Listen for that gentle sizzle. Cook each pancake until bubbles form. Then flip and cook the other side. Repeat for every color, filling your kitchen with a rainbow of pancakes. Stack the pancakes as you go, building your very own rainbow tower, layer by colorful layer. Sometimes a flip goes wrong, and a pancake might land with a splat. But that's all part of the fun and adventure in the kitchen. Each colorful disc adds to your edible masterpiece, making the stack taller and more impressive with every layer. Before you know it, you might transfer, and then starter, albedandrugoko. Tempactor hab. Andanza the towering stack of rainbow pancakes, ready for the grand reveal, and sure to impress everyone at the table. Breakfast just got a whole lot more exciting, and your kitchen is now the happiest place to start the day. Making rainbow pancakes is a team effort. Kids are perfect assistants, stirring, mixing, and choosing colors. Expect a few splatters and lots of giggles. Grown-ups handle the hot pan, but kids can measure, crack eggs, and help stack. Everyone gets involved, making memories along the way. The best part? The pancake flip. Will it land or fold? Laughter fills the kitchen and every mishap becomes a story. Cooking together teaches teamwork and creativity. The kitchen turns into a place of fun and learning. Simple ingredients become something amazing. The finished pancakes taste even better when you've helped make them. It's not just breakfast, it's a shared adventure. The reward, a colorful feast for everyone. The grand finale, a rainbow stack, tall and wobbly, ready to impress, topped with whipped cream, syrup, or sprinkles for extra flair. Bring it to the table and watch the smiles appear. Breakfast becomes a celebration, not just a meal. Everyone gets a slice of the rainbow, sharing laughter and stories. These moments turn an ordinary morning into something magical. It's about more than food. It's about connection and joy. Rainbow pancakes remind us that any day can be special. A little color and creativity go a long way. The best days start with a cracking breakfast and a good laugh. So, who's ready for another slice? Let's make every morning a bit more brilliant.